Hello everyone. So recently I've been wanting to clean my closet, but I've been like putting it aside. I've never ever cleaned my closet. I'm like, too much work, you know? But then I decided, well, if I film it, it'll be a little bit better, you know, because I get content and I finally get to clean this closet. I finally cleaned these. They've been dirty for like a long time. I don't think anyone has cleaned them because my mom used to stay in this room. Finally I cleaned it. I cleaned it like 3 times. I'm like, finally I'm done. So I already like threw away a lot of clothes. Finally I have like more space to like move around. Yes. And I have a lot of shoes that I'm gonna throw away, but I have like 1 or 2. I don't know. I'm gonna actually look into them and see which ones I'm gonna throw away. I have like 1 for sure that I know I'm gonna get rid of. This I need to remove and clean the floor. So yeah, let's get this started. So like I was saying, I'm gonna throw away a lot of these clothes. So this sweater that I don't use anymore, this sweater that I've never used and I know I'm not gonna use, this skirt that I'm just showing you guys half, this skirt that's like leather and it doesn't fit me, which is sad because I only used it once, and all these shirts. So I was getting a little bit overwhelmed because I'm like, I have no idea how to start this, but then I'm just like, okay, I need to just start taking everything out and then see from there. So I'm gonna go this side. Oh, by the way, my dad fixed my door too, so I'm happy. Yay! Dusty, it's gross. Okay, holy cow, it's so dusty. Okay. See? Can you tell, guys, I haven't cleaned? I've never actually cleaned here. This bag for when it rains. Have this hat. And this Powerpuff Girl ball, which I don't know if I'm gonna throw away or keep. I don't even use it. But for memories, I don't know. And this heater, oh my god, I do not need this heater because it's so hot right now, you guys. Okay, so this thing, I've had it for a long time, but I don't want to throw away because, you know, I created this and it's supposed to look like my nephew. Everything's off. First of all, he has lighter hair. Second of all, he doesn't look this creepy. But I don't want to throw it away. I'll throw it away one day, not right now. Oh, and this. What is wrong with me? Like, what is this? It's creepy. It's so cool, but it's creepy. And I don't want to throw it away. I know, do you guys keep your MacBook boxes? Because they look really pretty. I have my MacBook box and my Wacom case, and I don't want to throw them away because they have like important documents, and I'm like, maybe I might need it one day. And then my Canon camera, the one that I'm filming right now, the one that I'm using right now, I haven't thrown that one away either. And I still have my Sweet 15 dress, and I have this cute bag that I never want to throw away because it looks nice, and it holds my laptop too. So there's like a little section that holds my laptop. So scared that there might be spiders. Okay, and there's a spider. What is this? What is this? Oh, I could throw this away. I don't need this at all. I didn't even know I had this. Holy cow. Okay, just the bag. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this away for sure. So here's a quick overview of all my stuff that were in the closet. So I'm finally done cleaning the floor, and now I'm gonna see what shoes I should throw away. I have so many shoes, but the thing is I also wear a lot of these shoes, but some of them I forget that I own. So the ones that I haven't worn for like the past year, I'm just gonna give them away. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, these Naturalizer shoes. Oops. So these shoes are very comfortable. I had these for a long time, actually, maybe like 5-6 years, but I still wear them sometimes. I'd wear them. They're still cute. I put this little thing so it won't get dirty from the dust. Okay, so I don't know if you heard the brand Giovanni Bernini, but like I love their shoes and I love how comfortable they are. I am cleaning my closet. I just want to show them the stuff I'm gonna throw away. Okay, so these are very comfortable, and I'm gonna keep these. Since I'm cleaning my closet and I'm not doing like a shoe haul, so I'm just gonna go through these really quick. Oh, I haven't worn these, but I like them. Oh, I'm just throwing away one. Alright. So a lot of these boxes I'm just gonna keep still because I don't know what what to do with them. I mean, I could throw them away, but I don't want to because there's important documents. I have such a tiny closet, you guys. Oh my gosh. But you know, it's enough. It's good. This little thing to stretch your like bottom foot. No, the bottom of your foot. So yeah, I'm still keeping that. And then going back here, I'm gonna still place my little creepy artwork. Not throwing away because I worked so hard on those. It's creepy, but I don't care. Well, it looks like I have more stuff than I had previous, like when I started. How did that happen? I have no idea. You know, whatever. And so I'm gonna throw these shoes away. Those are the only ones I'm gonna throw. I don't know if I should just give them a Goodwill. Oh my god, I'm running out of battery. Holy cow. Okay, so I also need to put my hamper in there, but I don't want to show you guys because I have dirty laundry in there. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these types of videos, please like for more content like this. If you like this type of content, please like so I can know. Please subscribe for more content similar to these, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.